Chapter 9. Places of Worship. Many people of different religions live in and around our neighborhoods. They worship God in different ways and at different places, but they worship the same God. They have different names for different places of worship. The temple. The Hindus worship God in a temple. They pray there. They offer sweets and flowers to the idol of Lord Rama, Lord Krishna, Lord Vishnu, Lord Ganesha, Lord Hanuman, and goddess Lakshmi or Durga. We worship all gods and goddesses. In every temple, there is a priest. He is called the Pujari. He makes a tilak mark on the forehead of the worshippers. He offers them prasad. The Vedas, the Gita, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, etc. are the holy books of the Hindus. The mosque. The Muslims worship God in the mosque. They call God by the name of Allah. They offer prayers, namaz, 5 times in a day. They have special prayer every Friday. The Muslim priest is called Maulvi. The Quran is the holy book of the Muslims. Fact to know, Delhi has a very big mosque called the Jama Masjid. It is a beautiful mosque. The Gurudwara. The Sikhs worship God in Gurudwara. They call God by the name of Vaheguru. They keep their holy book in every Gurudwara. This book is called Guru Granth Sahib. It has the teachings of their great gurus. These teachings are in verses. The Sikhs recite these verses with great devotion. They call these verses Gurbani. The priest of the Gurudwara is called Granthi. The church. The Christians pray to God in the church. They pray to Jesus Christ. On Sundays, they attend Sunday Mass and offer a Mass prayer. The priest of the church is called Father or clergyman. People listen to the readings of the Bible. The Bible is the holy book of the Christians. All the people bow before the Holy Cross or the idol of the Lord Jesus Christ. They chant hymns of the Bible. This is called service. We must worship God to thank Him for everything He has given us. Worship of God keeps us happy and strong. Every place of worship is to be respected by all of us. We get peace of mind in these places. Children, remember that we should respect every religion. The Jains, the Buddhists, and the Parsis go to their temple of worship. The Jains worship Lord Mahavira, the Buddhists worship Lord Buddha, and the Parsis worship fire in fire temple. Now you know the places of worship of different religions are different. The Muslims worship in mosque. The Christians worship in church. The Sikhs worship in Gurudwara. The Parsis worship in fire temple. Key words: idol, image, recites, sings loudly, offer, to give, religion, belief in gods, priest, a person who carries our formal religious duties,